Big story. The man accused of murdering a 5-year-old boy and pushing his mother off a cliff at the Daniel Boone National Forest will have his case heard by a grand jury.
41-year-old Lonnie Belt is charged with murder, assault, and kidnapping in the death of James Spoonamore and injuring his mother. Steve Butera has the latest developments. It's today's big story at noon.
We're getting more information today from inside District Court on what happened to 5-year-old James Spoonamore and his mother, Jessica Durham. A KSP detective says this may have all stemmed from money that Belt says was reportedly stolen from him by Durham's husband. Now, Belt entered court today for his preliminary hearing. KSP detective Charles Brandenburg says this all started back on September the 9th. That was when Belt went to Durham's house and told her that her husband had passed out. Earlier in the day, he said that Belt took David, that is the husband, to the doctor's office. Now, when Jessica arrived to Belt's house, a detective says that she was hit with a metal object. That was when she was tied up and kidnapped. Both her and that 5-year-old was taken to a wooden area at the Daniel Boone National Forest. Jessica says that she broke free from being tied up and began to fight with Belt, and says that Belt pushed her off of a 77-foot cliff. And now the question: what happened to 5-year-old James?
Did he make any statements as to what his motive was at that point in harming the child?
I believe at some point he indicated that the child was a witness to what happened.
And you indicated that the statement was that the child was hit in the head with a metal object?
Yes.
During cross-examination, the detective says that Lonnie was involved behind this because he says money was taken from him from Jessica's husband, but no evidence has ever come forward about that. Lonnie Belt will now be heard by a grand jury after the judge did find probable cause. No one from Jessica's family was in court today for this hearing and for any statement about what happened. Lonnie Belt's bond remains at $1 million. The next hearing for his case will be set for November the 7th. But now we're covering the news in Jackson County from the LEXA T-Mobile Newsroom.